Alright, so today just finished up some repair work on a couple of guns. So I'm going to take them to the range, test fire, make sure everything's working right. Did some action proving with them. But while we're out at the range, we're going to play with some Tannerite. So if you don't know, Tannerite is a binary compound. It's ammonium nitrate and powdered aluminum. And when mixed together, it could be ignited with a high-powered rifle round. Get something close to an explosion. But we got 2 pounds of Tannerite. We're going to set it off, and we'll see what happens. So we've combined our ammonium nitrate and aluminum powder. We're getting a consistent gray color. And once we're consistent, it's been thoroughly mixed, we should be ready to go. There we go. All right. Thoroughly mixed up Tannerite. Aha! Ready to rock. All right, so at this point in our story, we've got our Tannerite mixed up. I've got it stuffed into that pumpkin. I'm going to set the pumpkin down about 100 yards away and take a shot at it. 3 pounds of Tannerite has about the same explosive power as 1 stick of dynamite. Just thought you'd know.